clear road. What a feeling, man. Great feeling. Alright, what's up, you guys? It's Big Block. Why did I say alright, man? That's weird. I hate intros. What's up, you guys? It's Big Block back here. I hope everybody had a wonderful... Wait, fucking helmet's in the way. Alright, attempt number 3,264. Welcome back, everybody. What's up, everybody? It's Big Block here. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year. Finally, 2020. We got it behind us. Let's get this new year rolling and blah, blah. Just generic shit nobody cares about. All right. Gosh, I hate intros, man. I just hate them. I don't know. What the fuck do you say? It's like my 10th attempt of making an intro. All fucking righty. Welcome the fuck back. Oh, I hate intros, man. Alright, I ran out of smart shit to say. Alrighty, guys, this is like the 13th, 14th attempt of making an intro. As most of you already know, I hate making intros. I just don't know what to say. So here we are. The road is dry. The weather's been an absolute piece of shit for the past 2 weeks, which explains why there has been no motovlogs. It is winter. We have snow. Pretty surprised about today. It came in very unexpected, so I decided to hop on the bike, you know, and have some fun. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do so, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about my videos. Even if it's negative, I am fine with that. I like to improve upon negativity. And yeah, enjoy the vlog. Let's go. So I stopped at the side of the road because I had a feeling that the audio stopped recording, because I was adjusting the helmet and stuff, and the external mic pause button that, you know, gets pushed in accidentally sometimes. And yeah, that's exactly what happened. Sometimes you gotta listen to your intuition, right? So on my way to, I don't even fucking know. We will see. Why did the chicken cross the road? Sorry. Wow, damn. Oh man, I can't wait for spring, summer, like for real. Because you gotta be so careful riding, you know, out here, because it's cold. So, you know, your tires have way less grip just because of it being cold. And there's salt everywhere, and salt is low-key slippery sometimes. So there's still way less grip than usually, and you know. Let's try to make it through that. I'd love to. Alright. We did. Last one. Can somebody explain to me why all my fingers are fine, they're nice and warm, but my left index finger is like dying right now? It feels like it's about to like break off of my hand. But all the other fingers are fine. Alright. camera up there. Gotta keep it easy. Alright, fuck. Sadly, it's a red light camera too. Well, I don't... What the fuck? Why'd you turn red then, you piece of shit? It's like I just stopped. What the fuck? God damn. Love it. It is so loud. Are you trying to merge or not? No? Okay. Mate, it's a 50. Come on, man. Fuck's sake. I'll just overtake you. I don't care. Mate, you're going way too slow. Come on, man. Fuck's sake. No nerves for that kind of shit. Then he keeps checking his rear view to see if he's like pissing me off or like, what are you doing, man? Just go, just go. Seriously. Ground's wet here, so a little caution. So I used to own an xvs650, as I've mentioned in one of my videos, and I would consider myself a decent rider. Just that, you know, this thing is not really meant for the type of riding that you do on an xvs7. So I have the idea for some interesting content that I would rent an xvs7. Ooh, bro, you stay on your fucking lane, please. That I would rent an xvs7 in summertime to showcase some of my riding skills and to see if they're still around, because I don't know, maybe I've lost some of it. Probably did. I mean, definitely not used to, you know, excessive lean angles anymore. Oh. I don't know if I want to go there. Nope. No, I can see from here that that's frozen. Nope, folks, this ain't it. I'm sorry. I can't go through there. That's frozen. I can't. Nope. I can see. I saw it, like the little like glimmering on the ground where you can tell, oh, that's a frozen spot. Yeah, pretty much like half of it was frozen. I'm not going through there. Not trying to be a pussy, but this bike just sucks on frozen ground. Like, so much salt as well, and I feel on my rear wheel when braking that the salt is indeed pretty slippery. Like my front wheel's white. There's so much salt. That's the thing during winter that really just annoys me, is I cannot go where I want. Like, I gotta be so cautious about picking my routes, you know, thinking about, okay, where is it frozen, where is it not, you know. It does suck a bit. Okay. Might overtake here, but we'll see. Alright guys, I decided to end the video on this beautiful spot right here. Stay tuned for more videos. Please don't forget to like, of course, if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content from my side of things. And definitely stay tuned for springtime. You know, like, I'm talking May, April, May. That's where I'm definitely going to be vlogging a lot more. Around the winter time, it's pretty hard to find days where, you know, the weather's decent, because with the bobber it's even harder. Like, not only is it not can it not be raining, the ground has to actually be dry, because if it's not, it's gonna splash up my back, and that's just super uncomfortable. Nobody likes that. And yeah, so stay tuned for more content. Thank you guys for sticking around all the way to the end. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one.